It's only one day after this day left of work. Just need to give my cat some food. I'm at work right now. I'm also a bit sad today again, and it's because my Google Drive showed me 2 pictures I took a year ago from today, and one of them was of my cat. My mom brought me 3 lychees, which is a luxury because we cannot really afford lychees, so they bought lychees. I had one Russian. I have the streaks and this. Finally time to go home. I only had 2 customers today. Basically just only one because other person buys on debt the whole time, so she's not really considered a customer. But yeah, I only literally made 15 rand today, which is less than American dollar.